So Apple have just announced iOS 16 and the new feature is that you can customize lock screens. You can choose from widgets, fonts, photos, new wallpapers and much more. In this video we're going to give you a preview on how to customize your lock screen in iOS 16. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So if you did watch the Apple keynote, iOS 16 comes with a huge bunch of new features. We will be doing a full walkthrough of the beta, so make sure you hit the subscribe button to check that out. So after you've installed iOS 16, long press on your lock screen. So you can click the customize button to add new widgets. So you do have the ability to add up to 4 small widgets, 2 small, 1 medium, or even 2 medium widgets in the bottom space of the lock screen. The fastest way to add widgets is by tapping them, but you can also drag and drop them if you want to be more specific with the placement. The widgets on the lock screen look similar to the complications on the Apple Watch. Once you've placed widgets on your lock screen, you'll get live presented data whenever you take a look. However, just like home screen widgets, these ain't directly interactive, so when you tap on them, you'll be taken to the corresponding app instead of making an action. So Apple are also bringing focus modes to the lock screen, allowing your iPhone to display different lock screens depending on what you're doing. You can also change the font and colour of the time and date. You just swipe from the left and right to reveal more colour options, as well as the full colour palette. So you can also add a widget at the top, which I found really useful. You can change it from the day, so you can choose it to be reminders, stocks, or even the weather. So there will be more widgets that you can add to your lock screen, and they will be available in the App Store over the coming weeks. So iOS 16 has some real cool wallpapers, so you can jump into the wallpaper gallery and create your own with a bunch of emojis. You can use up to 6 emojis to create your own wallpaper in different styles. The new weather and astronomy wallpapers are really impressive. Apple have also updated the animations with these wallpapers in iOS 16 and they do look amazing. But do keep in mind this will impact your battery life as it does ask for location access, which is updated every 15 minutes. So all notifications will appear at the bottom alongside your music player and other live activities such as Uber rides and much more. So the live activities feature is a new feature that helps users stay on top of things that are happening in real time, such as sports games, ride shares or food delivery orders. You can now also hide notifications as well to make your lock screen look super clean. There are a whole bunch of new features in iOS 16 that we're excited to show you, so make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for the full review. We'll also have a walkthrough of iPadOS 16, so make sure you stay tuned for that one as well. So that's about it for this video guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the like button. Let us know your favourite iOS 16 feature in the comment section, and I will catch you all in the next video.